Hello, and welcome to a Secure 9000 eDemo showing how to utilize a visit template in Secure to create a new visit. In order to do that, we're going to use a template created for visits and add the necessary data to generate a new visit. Now you can create a new visit from a visit template that you have previously saved. The new visit created from the template contains the same settings, fields, tabs, and information and saves time in setting up and completing new visits. This can be a tremendous time-saving device when setting up new visits if facility specifics do not change and only the visitors do. In this scenario, we're going to open a new visit from an existing template, add all the necessary information and documents for the new visit, and then save the new visit. Okay, why don't we go ahead and get started? First, you're going to want to select the Personnel tab in the navigation pane. Then select Visit from the Personnel drop-down menu at the top of the Secure interface. Then, to the right of the New button, select the down arrow to access the available templates and select Template for Conference Center General Use. This action opens a copy of the saved template in a new visit window for editing. You'll notice at the top of the new window the title is Visit and not Visit Template, and the name field is blank so a new visit can be created. Both attributes indicate this is a copy of the original template for creating a new visit. Okay, the first thing we'll do is give a new name to the visit. Type in Rock and Roll Hall of Fame Annual Induction Celebration. Next, we'll enter information into the Visit Start and Visit End Date fields utilizing the built-in calendar feature in Secure. Then, select the Find button in the Visitors selection area to locate and select visitors for the visit. Now, as the name selection window opens, observe each name has a checkbox next to it. Select visitors by clicking in their name field or checkbox individually as I'm demonstrating, or if you want to select everyone in the list, select one person, scroll to the bottom of the list, and when there, hold the keyboard Shift key down. At the same time as you're holding the keyboard Shift key down, click the mouse enabling the system to select all the visitors at once. That's a nice shortcut in selecting an entire list, as you can see. Then go ahead and select OK to accept the input. The system will then populate this visit with the selected participants. The next step is to add a host or hosts for the visit. Select the Find button in the Hosts selection area to locate and select hosts for the visit. As the name selection window opens, you can see that each name has a checkbox next to it similar to the visitor name selection window. Now a host or hosts is a designated representative that is holding the visit and is typically at the site the visit is being held. The process of selecting hosts is the same as selecting visitors, so in this scenario, we'll select 3 hosts and click OK to select the input. Next, we'll input the instructions for the visit. Type in See Attached Document under Documents tab for directions upon arrival to conference. And what we're saying here is that under the Documents tab, there is going to be instructions with directions for visitors. We'll get to that in a few more steps. Next, you're going to want to select the Clearances tab to select, add, or remove specific door access clearances. Now, in this case, as we're using a template with the specifics we desire already added in, the door clearances will remain the same. Next, we'll access the Documents tab to add the document with arrival directions we spoke of in the instructions input box earlier. Now to add the document, select the Add Private Document button, click Import File, then proceed through the process to upload the file. For demonstration purposes, once uploaded, clicking the View Document button opens the now attached document for viewing. The pop-up View button basically performs the same function as the View Document button, but opens the external file in a Secure window if it has been saved as a .txt file. The last tab, Status, will list all of the visitors we've selected, showing their badge status. Now at this point, as we've obviously not issued badges, the status will be not issued, and the check-in and out times will be blank. Alright, with all the necessary information entered, we can now click Save and Close to enter the visit into the database. Okay, well that concludes how to create a new visit in Secure 9000 from an existing visit template.